Tori, and what's going on?
I have some minor pain on my upper back and my neck from cheerleading injuries and over the years on my phone. Just pretty minor, but still pretty consistent.
Okay, sounds good. And you've never been adjusted before, right?
Never.
Wow, that was a good one. Take a deep breath in and all the way out. Good. Whoa. There it is. Other side, just let this drop. Good.
Oh, that was a loud one.
That was nice. So I think we got just about everything we can in your upper back and neck. So we'll see how that does for you and how it loosens up.
Yeah, that felt great.
Good.